Hello, my name's Sarah Gray from Funky Fossil. Funky Fossil's been my paper crafting brand for the past 6 years, and this is my second ever collection with the Papercraft Society Box, so I'm really excited to share with you the contents of this month's box. Now, for those of you that may not know, Papercraft Society is a monthly subscription where the box or the collection that's brought to you each month comes from a different brand or a different designer, so you get a huge variety of crafting projects to be able to enjoy, and of course they all come with inspiration booklets as well, so you're never left alone with the new designs that you receive. So let me take you through what's in our box for this month, because it's jam-packed and I really hope you're going to love it as much as I do. So my theme for this collection is mid-century modern, which you can immediately see from the beautiful packaging that Papercraft Society have put together for this collection. A fabulous sturdy box, lots of storage potential in here for either your collection or other crafting goodies that you want to store in it. But it has that geometric, that kind of slightly abstract style that for me is reminiscent of that mid-century modern era. So we've already got that look and feel on the box that you will receive. It continues inside with a fantastic quote and further print, but really the excitement comes with the products that we've put together for you. And there is just so much to enjoy in here. One of the things I think that Papercraft Society Box has done phenomenally well is really bring you a great kind of variety and quantity of crafting products for you to enjoy in each collection. So the value for money in these boxes is really phenomenal. So everything comes in a wonderful wallet within that box, and I'll start to just run through the fabulous contents with you. So we start with a A5 stamp set. Let me find some plain paper just to give us a contrast for this imagery. So again, mid-century modern. The idea for me started with these two wonderful elegant mid-century ladies, and it felt to me that they would either be drinking coffee or cocktails. So we've got our coffee pots, we've got our cocktails, and that's really where the theme started for me. So these make great focal points on your projects, and as we'll see in a second, there are some dies that will cut out these focal points and give you even more impact on your project. So you've got an A5 stamp set to get you started. We also have an A6 stamp set in the collection, which has fantastic kind of geometric shapes, for me very reminiscent of that whole mid-century vibe, slightly kind of abstract quirky geometry. You get the shapes in solids and in outlines, so you can be creating great backgrounds for these projects and lots of other occasions too. I think you'll get a lot of use out of this stamp set just even on its own. There is the die set that I was referring to a second ago, so you get some of the stamps focal images with outline dies that will help you cut them out. You also get a fantastic kind of geometric border die in the collection too, and this is a really versatile die because you could just cut it the once and have this as a kind of border panel on your project. You could repeat cut it and create a kind of fantastic focal panel for your cards as well. You can paper piece back into these shapes. You can use contrasting cardstock underneath. There are so many looks you can get just with that one die alone, so that's a really versatile one to enjoy. So we've got stamps and we've got dies, and then we've got fantastic patterned papers. One thing I really love about that whole mid-century modern era is the kind of the colour palette, the really kind of whimsical geometry, and I think we've got that captured in these wonderful papers. The A5 papers, a lovely matte finish to them, and you can imagine with some of these kind of abstract geometric papers, you're going to be able to use them for so many occasions and recipients. But I did also put some kind of culinary imagery into the papers as well, because as I said at the beginning, I was imagining our mid-century ladies either drinking coffee or drinking cocktails, so I wanted to be able to position them both in the kitchen or at the bar depending on what time of day it was. So I just love these. I love the colours in there. I love the teals, the reds, that mustardy yellow, These are really, really fun papers to use, and there are lots of them in this collection. So I'm kind of flicking through and you can see what great variety there is. You've got your cocktails here, so you can immediately see how they're going to work beautifully with those focal images. And one of the things that I think that the team at Practical Publishing do so well is also give us some kind of solid cardstock that complements the palette in the papers. So you get 2 sheets of each of these 4 colours: the green, the kind of sky blue, the kind of soft coral red, pink, and the yellowy orange. So they're going to work beautifully in conjunction with the patterns that we've just flicked through. So that's stamps, dies, papers and cards. You also get 2 fabulous sheets of sentiment stickers in this collection, and what I wanted to do with these stickers is give you the options of both the kind of the generic happy birthdays and sending love type sentiments, but also some sentiments that have a kind of slightly quirkier or cheekier feel to them. So things like, don't worry about your age, alcohol will make it better, I may be wrong but I doubt it, don't worry, I won't tell anyone how old you really are. Those kind of words that are hopefully going to make you and the recipient smile, and I think are a nice twist on that those mid-century characters we saw at the very beginning. So you get lots of sentiments on these sheets, and you get them in the white and the black. So again, lots of different cards and occasions that you're going to be able to use those for. And last but not least, I do love my stencils. So we've been able to squeeze 2 stencils into this fabulous pack as well. You get a kind of a background stencil, which for me kind of captures that whole classic boomerang shape of the mid-century era. As a repeat, it almost creates a bit of a wave. You can use this portrait or landscape. It's going to really kind of, depending on the colours you use and how you use it, you're going to get lots of different looks with this one stencil. And we also have a layering stencil in the collection too, and the inspiration for me with this layering stencil, if I can find it by flicking through very quickly, was this paper here. So I really love this kind of soft, slightly abstract geometric shape, slightly organic feel to it, and the fact that there's slight variations in colours really made it pop. So that's what we have in this stencil. You've got your registration points in the corners to help you line it up. And if you inked each of these layers in a different colour, you're going to get an effect that's very reminiscent of this paper. And it's a complete stencil as well, of course, so you'll be able to repeat it as many times as you want to create a bigger background. So I really love this little layering stencil. I'm glad we could squeeze that one in. So there's lots to go out there. Stamps, stencils, dies, papers, cardstock, sticker sentiments. Hopefully you can see straight away how many different projects and occasions you're going to be able to create for, and how much fun it's going to be as well. Of course, if you receive your Papercraft Society box and are thinking of not sure where to start, you do also get this inspiration booklet in the box with lots of ideas and projects that have been put together by myself and by our fabulous design team. So lots of ways, if you wanted to explore how to use your stamps or your stencils or your papers, you're guaranteed to find a project in here that will give you some ideas of what you could possibly start to do. So hopefully you're going to be creating straight away as soon as you receive these wonderful goodies. So I hope you like our mid-century modern Papercraft Society box. I'm really proud of the variety we've been able to pack into this one box and all of the crafting potential I hope it gives you. I hope you have lots of fun with it, and I really look forward to seeing what you make with your Papercraft Society box from Funky Fossil. See you again soon. Bye for now.